Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change your phone number on Facebook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select your profile icon in the top right. Just go ahead and left click on that. And you want to select your user profile image to go take you to your profile page on your timeline. And you want to select the About tab. Select Contact and Basic Info. Select Add a Mobile Phone. Select Add New Contact, and then you can add a mobile number. Just go ahead and add that number, and then you will have to verify it with Facebook, and then you would select Next, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.